There is a proof that massive planets like Jupiter can move from the initial planetary systems and spiral inward to an orbit closer to their stars. Any tiny rocky planets that get in the way of these giants as they move towards their stars risk being sucked up or because to the gravity of the giants, thrown out of the star system entirely. However, Jupiter-like planets can act as the guardians of their planetary systems if they maintain their distance from their sun. They shield their neighbor planets in an inner orbits, enabling them to have nearly spherical orbits that sustain stable climates for a long time. An Earth-like planet with long elliptical orbits experiences dramatic temperature changes which may prohibit the evolution of sustained life. Jupiter is known as the vacuum cleaner of the solar system because it may consume any asteroid or comets that approach it in our solar system. Another illustration of the impact of the gas giant is the asteroid belt that lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Its gravity probably stopped the asteroids from fusing together to form a planet. Small planets that venture near to Jupiter can also have their orbits drastically altered, being sent on extended orbits that take hundreds or even thousands of years to complete. We believe that this is how comets obtained the very eccentric orbits that take them to the outermost regions of the solar system. The Oort cloud, a cluster of comets that may reach halfway to the closest star, is where they spend the majority of their time. While comets and asteroids frequently save Earth and the other inner planets by diverting them, occasionally Jupiter throws things directly in their direction. When there were more objects in the solar system earlier in its existence, more impacts would have occurred, bringing more water and other components for life to Earth. Other collisions would have undoubtedly been catastrophic such as the one that most certainly caused the extinction of the dinosaurs 65 million years ago.